Imagine you're a supply chain planner, tasked with optimizing a factory's production schedule. You're drowning in data, juggling conflicting priorities, and racing against a deadline. But here's the catch. Figuring out the best plan usually requires hiring expensive experts to tweak complex algorithms. What if you could just ask your computer a question in plain English and get smart, actionable answers? That's the bold vision behind SMARTAPS, a groundbreaking tool redefining how we tackle operations planning. Let's break it down. Traditional advanced planning systems, APS, are powerful but expensive. They rely on specialized software and operations research, OR, consultants to turn raw data into optimized plans. But these systems are like high-end cars. Amazing, but not everyone can afford the maintenance. SMARTAPS changes the game by combining AI with OR tools, creating a conversational interface that puts control in the hands of planners, not just experts. Here's how it works. Instead of diving into code or complex interfaces, you chat with SMARTAPS like you'd chat with a colleague. What if we get 100 more units of raw material, you ask? Or why didn't the original plan account for this bottleneck? The system doesn't just spit out answers. It thinks through scenarios, runs analyses, and even suggests adjustments. And it does all this using large language models, LLMs, the same tech behind your favorite AI assistants, but tailored for operations challenges. But here's the magic. SMARTAPS isn't just a chatbot. It's a bridge between human intuition and machine precision. When you ask a question, it pulls from a library of custom tools, like a chef grabbing the right spices from a well-stocked pantry. If your query is something new, it doesn't panic. Instead, it asks, what's the goal here, and collaborates with you to craft a solution. It's like having a co-pilot that understands both your business needs and the technical nuts and bolts of optimization. Let's look at a real-world example. In a test with Huawei planners, SMARTAPS cut analysis time from 1 to 2 days, when relying on experts, to just a few hours. It handled tricky why not and what if questions like, what if we reassign this machine, giving insights previously requiring a team of specialists. The secret: a tool-augmented LLM that acts as a super smart assistant, not just a talkative AI. Here's how it works under the hood. When you ask a question, a tool retriever matches your query to the most relevant optimization tool. Think of it as a librarian who understands what you're really asking, not just the words. Then a tool manager translates your request into actionable data, asking for clarifications if needed. Finally, the tool runs, processes results, and refines the answer into plain English. No jargon, just clarity. But this is just the beginning. Researchers are pushing boundaries, like the 2024 Decision Optimization Copilot project, which aims to turn AI into a proactive decision-making partner. And with initiatives like CPAC, which optimizes language models for complex languages like Chinese, AI is becoming more accessible globally. So why does this matter? Operations planning isn't just about numbers. It's about balancing thousands of moving parts to keep businesses running. SMARTAPS democratizes this process, making advanced analytics accessible to everyone from small teams to global enterprises. It's not about replacing experts. It's about empowering people to make smarter decisions faster. The future of operations isn't just smarter. It's more inclusive, intuitive, and ready to tackle the complexities of our world. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is reshaping industries, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's one problem you'd love to see an AI solve?